When it comes to choosing a motorcycle, two popular categories stand out: sport bikes and cruisers. Each has its own appeal, offering distinct benefits depending on your riding style and needs. Whether you're drawn to the raw speed of a sport bike or the comfortable cruising of a cruiser, this video will help you make an informed decision on which type of motorcycle is best suited for you. Sport bikes are built for speed, agility, and high-performance riding. Designed for riders who enjoy fast acceleration, tight cornering, and a more aggressive riding posture, sport bikes are engineered with a focus on performance rather than comfort. Their lightweight design, powerful engines, and aerodynamic frames make them the go-to choice for enthusiasts who crave the thrill of the open road. One of the defining characteristics of sport bikes is their high-revving engines. Sport bikes typically feature engines ranging from 300cc to over 1000cc, offering quick acceleration and the ability to reach high top speeds. The aggressive riding position, with a forward-leaning stance, gives riders maximum control during high-speed maneuvers. The suspension systems on sport bikes are designed to handle the rigors of sharp turns, aggressive braking, and speed, making them excellent for both track days and winding roads. However, sport bikes aren't the best choice for everyone. Their riding position can feel uncomfortable, especially for long-distance riders, as the posture tends to strain the wrists, arms, and back. Additionally, sport bikes are designed for performance, which means they often lack the comfort features you'd find in a cruiser, such as a comfortable seat and a more relaxed riding posture.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Cruiser motorcycle cruisers, on the other hand, are the epitome of comfort and relaxation. With a low, comfortable seat, cruisers are designed for long-distance riding, making them perfect for leisurely road trips and long cruises. The riding posture is more upright, allowing for less strain on the rider's back and wrists. If you're looking for a bike that allows you to stretch your legs and take in the scenery, a cruiser might be the better choice. Cruisers typically feature larger engines, often ranging from 600cc to 1800cc, providing a smooth and powerful ride that is perfect for cruising at highway speeds. The engine's torque is focused on low-end power, which allows the cruiser to glide smoothly without needing to rev high. Riders enjoy a relaxing ride as the bike maintains steady momentum with minimal effort. The wide tires and low suspension make cruisers perfect for stable, smooth rides over long distances. The large fuel tanks of cruisers also provide impressive range, meaning fewer stops for refueling during long trips. The downside of cruisers is their weight and lack of agility. Due to their large size and weight, cruisers are not as nimble as sport bikes and can feel cumbersome in tight turns or city traffic. They are also slower to accelerate, and while they are built for comfort and long-distance rides, they do not offer the speed and cornering performance of sport bikes. Maintenance on cruisers can also be more expensive due to their larger engines and more complex systems. Speed and performance. When comparing speed and performance, sport bikes reign supreme. Thanks to their lighter frame, high-revving engines, and aerodynamic design, sport bikes can achieve much higher top speeds than cruisers. While a cruiser might be able to comfortably maintain speeds of 65 to 85 mph, sport bikes can easily exceed 150 mph or more, making them the better choice for riders seeking adrenaline-pumping speed and aggressive acceleration. Sport bikes also offer better handling and cornering ability due to their smaller size, lighter weight, and sharper steering. If you're someone who enjoys high-speed track days or winding mountain roads, a sport bike will provide the precision and control you're looking for. Cruisers, while strong performers in their own right, don't have the same agility or ability to handle sharp turns at high speeds. Their heavier frames are designed for stability at cruising speeds, but lack the responsive handling of sport bikes. Fuel efficiency and maintenance costs. When it comes to fuel efficiency, cruisers tend to have the edge, primarily because of their larger engines designed for low-end power. The larger engine capacity allows cruisers to carry a larger fuel tank, which, combined with efficient low-rev cruising, provides longer range per tank of gas. On average, cruisers can achieve around 40-50 mpg, but this varies depending on the engine size and riding style. Sport bikes, with their smaller engines, generally offer good fuel economy, achieving around 35-50 mph depending on the model. However, the aggressive acceleration and speed may reduce the overall fuel economy if you're constantly pushing the bike to its limits. Additionally, maintenance costs for sport bikes can be higher due to their more complex performance systems and the need for specialized parts. Whether you're drawn to the thrill of speed with a sport bike or the comfort and stability of a cruiser, both options have their unique benefits. It all comes down to your riding style and preferences. Let us know which one suits you best in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.